If your business suddenly feels slower than it did 6 months ago, you're not imagining it. Momentum in business is psychological before it's financial. And when it dips, most founders misdiagnose the problem. They assume the market changed, the algorithm shifted, the offer stopped working, the audience isn't buying. But often, the real issue is internal, not emotional weakness, structural fatigue. Here's what actually happens. In the early stages of growth, momentum is driven by novelty. You're building, you're experimenting, you're energized by progress. But once you reach a certain level, growth requires refinement, not expansion. And refinement is less exciting. It requires sharpening positioning, narrowing messaging, improving systems, removing offers, raising standards. That shift feels like stagnation, but it's actually maturity. Here's the deeper psychological layer. Early growth rewards effort. Later growth rewards precision. If you're still operating with an effort-based mindset while the business now requires precision-based thinking, momentum will feel like it disappeared. It didn't. It evolved. Most founders panic at this stage. They add more, launch more, post more, discount more. That creates noise, not clarity. And noise kills momentum faster than silence. So how do you repair it? First, stop asking, how do I get more movement? Start asking, where is my positioning unclear? Second, audit what you've outgrown. Offers, messaging, audience assumptions, pricing logic. Scaling isn't about doing more. It's about becoming more exact. And here's the part most people avoid. Confidence dips during scaling are normal, because your old identity no longer fits, but your next level identity hasn't stabilized yet. That psychological gap feels like loss of momentum. It's actually transition. If you feel stalled, the solution is not acceleration. It's alignment. Clarify your positioning. Tighten your message. Refine your offer architecture. Momentum returns when structure catches up to ambition. If you want structured support in that refinement phase, that's exactly what we do inside the Signature program and through our VIP one-to-one business coaching intensives. Because scaling isn't linear, it's structural, and lost momentum is rarely failure. It's a signal that the business is ready for its next level of precision.